Okay, we're at Home Depot here. We're going to try to get out of this back area. I noticed FSD said it was wanting to drive me out. Let's see if it can do it. It's not saying it can do it. Here it goes. All right, I'm gonna put her down to very slow here, 5 miles an hour. Oh, look, we're coming out. It's taking us out of here. Got the plants. People coming out. Got wheelbarrows and stuff up here. I'm going to give it a little go juice. Oh, don't do that. There we go. Oh, it wants to go that way so bad. It wants to go that way so bad. I'm keep on getting out. All right, I'm going to have to. I had to take over. I'm going to give it a little go juice. Oh, don't do that. There we go. Oh, it wants to go that way so bad. It wants to go that way so bad. I'm keep on getting out. All right. People coming out. Got wheelbarrows and stuff up here. I'm going to give it a little go juice. Oh, don't do that. There we go. Oh, it wants to go that way so bad. It wants to go that way so bad. I'm keep on getting out. All right. I'm going to have to. I had to take over. Let's go ahead and look, see if it can recover from here. It didn't really know how to get there. All right, so it's slowing to a stop here. Okay, getting way over by these. It's doing this by vision only, I do believe. I'm glad it's not doing it by feel. Now really we should go straight here. We don't need to make that left turn. We got a car coming in, we should be yielding to it. I'm not gonna let it turn left here. Okay, I'm gonna disengage. I'm gonna give it a couple sweets though for going through there. And let's see if we can get out now. Oh look. It's going to go all the way over here where the nails are. Oh, it's going way, way over here. Okay. The car in the way, doing it by vision. There's probably somebody camping in there. Okay, it's coming up by this Federal Express truck. It needs to go down here. Oh, do. There's some people practicing their parking. Happens a lot here in this parking lot. Okay, do not hit that curb. Oh, I think it probably would have been okay, but it was so close. I did not want to curb my rims. Okay, so got the right blinker on now. We need to turn left here. We're out on the road now. Please stop for these cars coming. Okay, nice. We got the creep fence up. There's a car coming pretty fast from the right. Oh, so we'll give it some go juice. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Max speed, got a little phantom brake in there when that car's coming around the turn. There's another Model 3, beautiful red one. I'd like to see it slow down for the road conditions a little bit more than it does. Okay, got a little S-turn here. Oh, it did this. Oh, I was going to say it did it without signal. It did do it without signal. It was signaling for this early, which I really like. It's very, very nice. Best I've ever done on that S-turn. Give her another sweep in there. Okay, it's going to go straight here. That's fine. All right, it's going to be pretty easy from here on in. I think I'm going to go ahead and stop so we don't have to download so much video. Come over here where I can park real quick. And that, and score that.